Did you know? In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan lies a fiery crater known as the Door to Hell. It's a 230-foot wide crater that's been burning continuously for over 50 years. Discovery 2. Perhaps the most famous restricted site in the USA, Area 51, is a highly classified U.S. Air Force facility. It's believed to be used for experimental aircraft testing and has long been a hotbed for UFO and extraterrestrial theories. Discovery 3. Located in the East River of New York City, North Brother Island was once the site of a quarantine hospital for patients with infectious diseases, including the infamous Typhoid Mary.